Ever wondered how some medications help to alleviate the overwhelming sensations of anxiety? Well, let's delve into the world of bromazepam, a commonly used drug that helps to manage this condition. Bromazepam, a member of the benzodiazepine class of drugs, is often prescribed to treat anxiety and related conditions. It operates in a fascinating way, targeting the inner workings of our brains to mitigate feelings of anxiety. You see, our brains are filled with neurotransmitters, chemicals that transmit signals from one neuron to another. These neurotransmitters play a role in regulating our moods, emotions, and feelings. Among these neurotransmitters, there's one called gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA for short. GABA's role is to inhibit or slow down brain signals, and in doing so, it helps to reduce feelings of fear, stress, and anxiety. Here's where bromazepam steps in. This medication enhances the effect of GABA in the brain. It increases the inhibitory effects of this neurotransmitter, slowing down the overactivity in the brain and resulting in a calming effect. This helps to reduce the intensity of anxiety and its associated symptoms. To sum up, bromazepam is a potent tool in the fight against anxiety. It belongs to the benzodiazepine class of drugs and works by enhancing the effects of the GABA neurotransmitter in the brain. This process slows down overactivity in the brain and leads to a soothing, calming effect, helping to alleviate feelings of anxiety. Remember, if you have specific questions about bromazepam, its dosage, potential side effects, or usage, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and guidance based on your individual health needs and circumstances. In essence, bromazepam is a powerful ally in managing anxiety, but like all medications, it should be used responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional.